Hello, Melanie. This is Melanie Adam, and she's in her kitchen here, and I think maybe she can give us a demonstration of the dishwasher. What do you think? Okay, here she is. She's going to come over and grab the green bottle. That big green bottle sitting right there on the counter. The big green one. That big green one. And, whoa, uh-oh, I forgot to do something. I forgot to open the lid. Okay, she pours in. Good, awesome. Now, yep, she will close it. Awesome. She will put the cleaner back on the counter and she will close the dishwasher door. Very nice. Can you close the door? The dishwasher door? Yeah, you bend down and you close it. Sweet. And there she is, Melanie Adam, washing the dishes